Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. So today we're making something that was supposed to be banana bread but ended up turning into bars because I didn't have any eggs. So I actually went into my freezer because I was just grabbing a few things for dinner and I noticed a ridiculous, almost embarrassing amount of frozen bananas and I needed to do something with them. So again, I was going to make a banana bread and then I went into the fridge to grab eggs and I didn't have any eggs. So I thought, what can I do that doesn't require eggs? So I actually did some research and I found out that I could make a type of banana bread bar. So the consistency is a moist and dense type of banana bread bar. So I wasn't sure if I was gonna love them, but I ended up really enjoying them, and so did my husband. So you're using mainly nut butter, bananas, and a gluten-free flour. So I used a combination of almond flour and oat flour, but you can use one or the other. Completely up to you. So, and then we're doing chocolate chips. You can use your favorite, dark, semi-sweet, whatever you like, and then some vanilla, salt, and that kind of thing. No leavening agents as well in this recipe. So again, as I mentioned, it is quite dense, but really delicious. One bowl recipe in the oven for about 30 minutes, and you have these really delicious bars. Also, I do have some viewers that don't eat eggs, and I thought this is great. This is actually will be a great recipe for those viewers that don't consume any eggs. So why don't we get to making these really delicious, healthy chocolate chip, gluten-free banana bread bars. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to grease and line an 8x8 baking pan. For this recipe, we will need 430 grams of bananas. This is between 4 and 5 bananas, and you're looking at 1.5 cups or so. If you don't have that many bananas, you can actually replace the remaining amount with some applesauce or pumpkin puree, but I wouldn't use either of those ingredients for the entire recipe. We're then going to add our nut butter. So you can add almond butter, cashew butter, peanut butter. I chose to do peanut butter and we're using 3/4 of a cup of peanut butter, or again, any nut butter you like. We're going to add 1/4 cup of pure maple syrup. You can use honey, or again, you can use any sweetener you like. We're using pure vanilla extract. I love this brand. That's Sassy Kathy's Vanilla, and I'm using 2 teaspoons. I'm adding 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. You can use up to 1 teaspoon if you like, and also add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, which I forgot to do actually. And we're going to give this a really good mix. With regards to the flour, I'm using a combination of almond flour and oat flour, but you can use all almond flour or all oat flour, completely up to you. You need 1.5 cups worth. I'm choosing to do 1 cup of almond flour and 1/2 cup of oat flour. I did not toast my almond flour for this recipe, but you can if you want to. There are no eggs in this recipe and no leavening agents. So this is a very moist and dense banana bread bar. So if you love bananas and peanut butter together, or bananas and nut butter together, you're really gonna love this. I am adding about 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. You can use dark chocolate, you can use any type of chocolate chip you like. About 1 cup, you can use less than that if you like. I'm going to transfer it to my pan and I'm just going to spread it out evenly from corner to corner. You could add some additional chocolate chips on top if you like. You can also add some chopped pecans or walnuts, a couple tablespoons, maybe about 3 tablespoons worth on top. I'm just going to leave it as is, but you can add those things if you like. We are going to bake at 350 for about 30 minutes. If you touch the center, it will bounce back. That's how you know it's done. I like to sprinkle a little flaky sea salt on top. And you want to chill it for at least an hour before consuming. Enjoy these healthy gluten-free chocolate chip banana bread bars. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these healthy gluten-free chocolate chip banana bread bars, let me know in the comments below. Also, the measurements and ingredients to this recipe and all of my recipes are in the description box below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy baking.